Fasalo Tripura hasteni logi logi YTF Shillong unit ni Shakhtar Mumbai boklai jaka Maharaja Bir Bikromani ko Bahadur ni fil chara sibre asaimani shal panda o narwai okra angi manjaka Tripura mothani uspuk person advocate Anthony Deborma manjaka notice dialogue from ni convener Urikim Bamnobo Kishur DCF ni general secretary Dr. Shal Debormati President John Deborma no khobui kubun ozamaro 19 August Maharaja Bir Bikromani ko Bahadur ni fil chara sibre asaimani shal abni bagai fasalo bishi brum ni hake haste ganangai luwa jijaka Maharaja Bir Bikromani ko Bahadur ni fil chara sibre asaimani shal panda aba hakino ashalo YTF Shillong unit ni Shakhtar Mumbai boklai jaka Maharaja Bir Bikromani ko Bahadur ni fil chara sibre asaimani shal panda Shillong ni Divine Savior nongthe mai hol nogoluwa jijak pandawo narwai okra angi manjaka Tripura mothani uspuk person advocate Anthony Deborma manjaka notice dialogue from ni convener Urikim Bamnobo Kishur DCF ni general secretary Dr. Shal Deborma President John Deborma notice dialogue from ni adong enos aham asam ni adong KK Chotro darano khobui kubun ozamaro jati kothar musungi pandano chengsawi rikha Tripura mothani uspuk person advocate Anthony Deborma Abni yaglo Maharaja Bir Bikromani ko Bahadur ni mangpliwa khumbogui bono borom yafarka pandawo manjangnai joto narwai rok no khobui Shillongo poriwi tongnai Tripura hasteni joto rungsrungnai rok
joto no rong bedi ya pikung pa rong bedi yes
Haftatli bachini time ro ang 7 baksa 11 sok mai baksa 12 bo ang nijani duty 3 pm to ang kisa sinimungri nai an official by Dr. Surajit Deborma senior medical officer Nazareth Hospital Department of Emergency and Trauma they are general secretary TCF to Practice and Fellowship Shillong general secretary Mr. John Ngachini president Ngachini pastor Reverend Bharat they are also senior so tomaimo recognize amati kansa ro brother Jiten brother Sapon brother Gangate okra ro na no kharan kai bela hambai no last moment of no invitation man from haimani si awon ni hamzang ma to khangai na abo sok poinen sok poinen thingma tini jini microphone ro kumya to no kisha baksa hin to no tini haipan no nijini so abo kun lasina bo kre wan kre bas kan salate bo ka ham thun ko khangai bo khase o bo kha jodi ka ham kai chen hamzang ma tong khai chini to phani bagai chini boro rogna te buino bo kai a hamzang ma sungma bas kan tlangnai so agoro basatui what I want to speak is about love. I think our guest from Assam, Manipur and Nagaland knows hamzang means love. At least get this word. You may not understand all the Tripuri words, but hamzang is love. And as we wear this red, this is also sign of our love, you know. And we connect as we hang this. For today, you all are Tripuris. So, on behalf of Joto, Tipasa Shillong Tongnai, TJ, Olorogo, Morong Night, Tongan, Sini, journalism, Sitong, Chini, Foran, Zodeke, Night of Chini, Hamzama Sangyafo, Joto Borok stage of Pay, Zoromaya Tong, Piazotono, a Hamzama Tong, Bishing Tini Buskan Pega. So, since Simon YTF Homo Bishi Balo Yako. So, what chini borong ni no sen buskan phayoro sen kun maya chini borong ni te more important ke tini occasion o how say the main occasion the reason we are gathered is we are celebrating 114th birthday celebration chini Maharaja Bir Bikrom sen saimono bini bumung me jotono khao airport ni college ni abo jotono chini thui borok sichini yafam. So no matter from which religion you come, both tribe tong, amrono kibiwoi, chini abubagra ni makhana sigay. At present chini bubagra, no zuton sama chini bubagra makhan. Bung sakit orang bin makan nunggu itu, bozo tu jangan no actively no parsi install tu no Facebook tu no, zoto tu no sini bubagra, resapun bulasan orang tu hero hai kaya nak kaya diba, sengkau orang tu tu yang social media tu we see our Maharaja through media, though we are in Shillong we hardly meet him, he's always in Tripura doing something, not being orang macam always khabasau. So we also convey our love to our bubagra and his family, all our royal family. Hamzangman, because this day is so special. Sentini bubagra tong we can be proud that we still have a king. Manipur also tells that story and how other those who came today, our dignitaries, we all share that type of history. So, Chenjono princely state, but kingdom, nation, Simon, but Tini guy, Katungui, Tontognani, and all Salomon, Tasiman, Hamzangmani, Himani. Seng kamu payu political field leaders payah, student organization tu payah, sakri khaine payah, business khaine payah, students payah. Kya kubui, loving not only in words but action. Kubui, Hamzan nai ro, kai tahu bo khat hiya, boro romui ton, hamtun hamiatun angkulian saka. Jasa panang din seng khorsak di prasa. Angaboro mansasak korano tini to mo phaiteo masale likha. At least just about on Fortuna, the Plasan program, just about what the Plasa Taiwan, just about Pastani priority, Kanana, Tamini, Hamzawa, Gay, Buigonite, actually doesn't, but if you hear another Motero, Sazana Sagi, Sazaya, Rotero Monsioi, Sinjasmui, Chumoi Kani, Nuyu, Gay, we were Hamzako, and Saman Gates in Jazagata, Korsak, Rosalo Tomo. We represent our people. And Korosati Prasan represent Kai. Just a one J college or San Hambo Marina, Shiloma Nowar Judas, Buiton, Apitamo Kahami, Hamgraini, Shiloma Sumi, Tibrabu, Yao Bohorito, Simon Lee, Kane, Bubar, Buskan Hai, Jotonon Tumi Tansani, Gox Leona, Fian Sana Mekai, as I go Hamzama, but how I Hamzama Tonkai, Nunaka night, why should you tell me Kag Lava? Dol kasih ni tinggi sekar lagi, dol ozagan kan, Hamzah mana senggusi maya, kai, sengnogo boto walai, washi hai ni cikon mikon, mana, sengnog ni borong nakariu, ante igen sengkorsa tiprasa hinjang nai ro, saya pun kai, kemo jori cino, hamiapan sakar gusi maya kai, tini orang program mari teksa grup saja pun tong mano, tapi borong klaim yang tong mano, kaya amti no langsung ya woi, dia aplikasi langsung nai ro saja yang tong nai ba. Hamia nol bohong ni thakita wala samu hamia arrangement hamia himano kiano zoda tingkai ni sini borong no ni sini je organizers no sakai saksang hima se kathayu. If you are condemning anyone doing this program because they don't have this, then you are condemning your part. Sembu sakai se in different parts. Jotono srai robo okra robo jotono we are telling back again our own. Busharno se hima kalayu, and we have to understand that. Because this is something we need to practice. So, if you can learn to forgive, if you can appreciate somebody else, if you can encourage somebody else, we will go ahead. So, group. Tapi political, just one hindi mo political wing ni Thai ini, baksa Thai awal to program itu. Kan anggur kesan namu semua. Hamzah mana kini main occasion, just one tun kini Maharaja ni seperti celebrate kan, palkai orang dah itu ni chief guest itu mana bawa microphone na woi, kain kan woi sound deck, sound box, hari bawa tu kau kayu. Nahnya, kamu chief guest ni bawa main ke, sen kawai celebrate kan, kan mana bawa rikin kerana le stage cake rana ni, awal rana ni, oh kau ni le ton di tara. This is something we will love. I encourage you to know. Kung sugoi, kung khaimia, problems se abu baya. Sen okra robo je tinai robo. Na, especially not political reasons. So, bus kang film kung sen Simon Bird. But sembo, amti khay nu khanga amti leaders kung khay sembo khabaso. Don't go. We want to go front. So, ang ko long na khaimia. Ani topic non sano tini celebration no. Joy everyone who is gathered here, including our guests, dignitaries, everyone. Menai song dara song the okara zotono, we should be proud that in 114 chini birthday celebration. I believe omon thajing dara ko kaisa saga bahor musna thayo ina se ignite muti hai pandaro na sung khaina nango hediba sung mono khaina nango buskang sala wan sugo tini chengkha sung wa effort ilainai because akhil saisi gere tuma khaigana short time ho koyjana omno ba hambai maro zora riman bagai to sung jok khaina joto ni participation a khajing ko khaija saga hall ni onkhore kya mono kono ta sakhame ta sari o program ni man thum jasapano sakang kai niji non sama khlayo pia kam se sari status no rena ke ready anguri nai tini sini maharaj ni birthday ni sing tong phogoi mate ke khlai ga ni positive attitude by sikhim ga ni hamjang ma sing practice khlai le na chere belai khana lai khana nasle mani obo hini aur tini ni salo especially maharaj ni birthday ba it's a day for a celebration day. What will you want in your birthday? Not a birthday celebrate like I'm birthday celebrate ke no moksa ta nai no suno birthday hingang ka phadai brother Anthony birthday ko punro rathana wa rathana sagi amre ke invite khai have a birthday you want to celebrate tin busani birthday khai ke griwa khabe di birthday celebrate khai ni tong khona khai diba jo ke tini bo maharaj jo pok than ko ba je existing maharaj sini we have to celebrate the unity. We have to forgive. We have to go from. So let us make this day special. Let us spread love wherever we are in Shillong, different parts. All messages So I wish everybody a very, very blessed future. Langno kaham thun jotono leadership potential to ang khasing nomor bui to himagetan sanai we have so many now capable students te college kaham robagi Anthony advance rogo khorsa khoromni tabu ke bangmani se pung select hoya advance so St Anthony rogo women college o Shillong college jo apni different section o sumbuze tongnai ko jana sakri khane different hospital o khlalai to apni business khane different field o apni ka tabu sino save kaham ri to sung jotono blessing namo we have spread out piasen thansa ba kaise platform tui mudikhe ma tongnai nai ma kathalai nai bus kamo jodi program chini borom ni bagai do khane hamkrai kai ching je mansan bo kisa follow line ni zobari line so tuition congratulate khayo president akhil khela ya program member last time actually there was a patient in Negrims Jacob Koloy Akhil, he was running around. He don't know anybody coming here. Kisha contact na pasana tikai. He was running for that patient. Buba garang ti borok thali bo subai ka. Ang personal nai ka chin pasa som nai ka search ti bo. So abo no ta. Jung niji ni na mo je ke mo jodi apni ma kai. No ni college or ko mo sikla tong use from different college. Kok saya tang lai di. No khai thani ri thali kok sai thani ri thali ta. Niji boro rom nam ti kai. So te bisha ang apni bo sing buskan ni Kisah ni JSN was in this kamo kasi youth day plus freshers no welcome flight ho white team nang kasing daram saka board 22 zora to nai akhil no sai to so man khai sir hamzaman ba lai ni jeng mani awang sal na ko awang saka ne ku how to so sing awang sal na ro chini bumar khalai to asan sidon te bisha to no ko mus lese ham bai do
jotono siri tai Shillong pori sing Shillong pori kru semua sana hamang se ang koine jotono kisa basa de basa oi sakan asiri nai de jotono hake tamu na sari tai tamno Bapa kana berpikir nu geda nor nahaya naisaya tahu saya naisala look at up and see whom we are seeing nunukha thank you asubedi kau berapa de sana na English bay yang tisala kau berapa de sana mix okay belai hambai ini belai kha tom thoka tahu bagai gakai Tripurao kebang jaga invite mano sini TAF, Tripura Employee Federation, Borbo, Agartala Town, Lokhaito. Tai TT ADC in Haporopo, TT ADC Kaito. Tai joint action committees of civil society, Jajaga, government and family, do have a dos simi, Aboropo, Astro Ground, celebrate Kaito. Nor Nungna, Google over 90. YouTube logo nungai sale ko khub pan kotor tai Tripura has to every corner of Tripura people are celebrating of today but anniversary of our Bubagara Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya. Now why this celebrations is very important, why this celebration is very significant, the only reason is that this celebration is not merely just to remember our Bubagara, but this celebration is remembering our history, remembering our traditions, remembering our identity. Once upon a time, how we Tripuri people are, how we Tiprasa were. So bahai tongani, sini Tiprasaro, agi, so tabuk tonga ahai the tong, naki so agi bahai tongani. So naki, kevono kiriya, kevono lasia, buino tola ka konya ka tonga nanya, tong ka so khakla perino, so buskan abah ki tongi tongani. Asal sini sinimu kotor, sini kanung sumu, sini resamu, sini har, sini jauh terkusu, hukum tongani. Kita abang tidak kering takkan, tamu banget kering. Sini borok, hatan di bahaya maya nama bagai, buino yasak suka. Budak harga, carka, kanurka, harka, kita abun yang lo, ini semua orang obah itu segera kira. Sentamu pat kaibat tong, kita sentamu operat kaya on humanitarian ground, we have accepted them, we have given them the shelter, the food, the land that we have given them, but in return, what they have done to us. Today, we are accepting our right, we are accepting our identity, we are accepting our culture. Ini sini identity, sini sinumung lepas itu sini korban matangku. Ini sini culture respect kali, recognize kali. Abang pakai sini korban matangku. Sini research ini bahaya popular. Sini je regional political party. Futures jak khainero, TSN jak khainero, lama lelaka, ni ani bagai, tahu sem komsoko, sem audition rupi, sem tini hiui teman, tahu ni bagai, Bubagara Bir Bikram sabado, tahu Indonesia, apa salah saud, botan paling important. Bubagara was very important because he is a very highly intellectual and has got a big vision. Bini vision tahu, bini naharmani, dorhan bagai belai kotor, bos Haiman ka, ane Tiprasara antri thangan yang orang lakai berkemanai. Abon bagino, sini Bubagara Bir Bikram, land reserve kelam thaka semua, ar land reserve kai thangan, bos Himan yang lo, jokote jeng India democratic system apa kaya kena jeng sini reserve kelam thanga mone nanti reserve kaya zaka. So he could see the visions. So that's why we call him as a visionary. Jadi British they have ruled India, but they cannot rule the Tripura kingdom. Why? Because our king is so strong that no one can defeat our king. Our bagai, Cina Raja so strong. Kewa British of High rule Kaima Paya. They even Jadi king Mughal emperor rasa elephant and spoon khai. Mughal emperor apa? Phai selo kokor khai bi. Abu Dhabi the Britisher has to salute our king and has awarded him with so many trophy, and one of the greatest award that he received from the British is a sword. Same, Chindaras askai pankrak askai brain abon bagai bono British of same bhai bono gift mar bhai. Tini sin airport jung nui tok tomo, o airport no sab architect hai, he himself. Boss o airport no boss tangne boss architect hai kelamu. Abu sentini airport no bungu ne runa bagai Robin no tech no runa bagai poro chiri khokle. No doubt we do respect and honor our Robin Tagore, but it doesn't mean that the airport of Agartala should name under him. But you also know Rabindranath Tagore was graced in our kingdom. It was our king who has supported him. It is our king who has given him everything. Due to our king's support, he became as a poet, writer, as a popular. That's why he has received the Nobel Prize. Before that, nobody knew that he is a poet writer. So, the one who has mentored, the one who has supported him, today you are not respecting him. Abun bagana tini boss tabut nor mukhana governor house agini ajaga asugin se bonus kobita siru sabo sini raja amu setini sini buba karane mu bor airport na mujuk jagia sini bijor rakho boss hasu assembly of fight khayu amu tara airport nor kem bungri mamla bin bungri angkakai hai ka thui kosang ni boss hawo saisum Barat sama kaitu, atau tidak kebang masih barat di pasar, CPM kaya, Kongres kaya, jauh tanah jago, barat MLA, minister tahu, habis kita barat kong kisah pano, khup punya, abang bagi, nol tinuan sudah nanti, jadi sini barat mah hamzah mana bagi, kaisa saya kalau sini orang nol, anu busuk hai pun kakai. Nor yasak sudi, bono ya kali karo hanu bisa. Okong sarang pakai no, kakama aja. Tahu nabagi? He knew. He said, when my grandson comes, please receive him, welcome him, don't send him back empty-handed. Jadi apa sabo? Who is that person? Who is the grandson of our Bir Bikram? Who? Sama salah? Bubagara Prodhur Kishore Manikya the Burma. He is the grandson of our King Bir Bikram Manikya. Tinnar Bhumina Nukhana, Sayur Nukhana, Bini Rajbari, Bini Tripura Kasar, Bini Kolkata Kasar, Jotan Kibui. Tidak satu dunia, waktu dunia, wibo, ini nembai agak paksa asui, soal kaitan, sama bagai, ini ada bagai, abang bagai ini nahai sar, apa kuno, mana political banner political party ya, ini tipra, apa ko, it is a movement for your rights, ini tipra kota, political party ya, bo kasih movement. Nina identity pakai movement kayaknya, nina dompet pakai movement kayaknya, nina halu bahkan orang lain, aku movement kayaknya bos. Jadi nina culture kemai thago, jadi nina kalung semua kemai thago, jadi nina semua kemai thago, adi nina hak kemai thangai. Abun pagiro, jadi ane kok, ane jamu, ane kanu, ane samu, abun seng preserve mak kayaknya, abun seng save mak kayaknya. Jadi abun pagiro, jadi bini Mumbai se, bini Sampli by se, jeng tini, jadi identity no, jeng naruh itu mana. Bot ini kiri kakai, tini sebahki identity nar ma kamu abon bagino ang jokote ago tala tongla tinin dino ang bulla okino phun khai okay nor aro chin bomba bra 114 bata na bese pare dana bos hau na tara palaya tamun bagi ra busar bokri ago kri so abon ago kan saka abon pro tor boli Benjamin phun khai tapsa Benjamin nor aro samung khai tongare bole nor ba hai nor celebrate khai dia khai dera borok ta se khai de so apre chupe no nagle chupe jomotia are you here please boro nahala I would like to call upon Akhil Benjamin Chupe on the stage please come musa phaya borok laji jakon tongna se do nervous ne yang of the south president but president is getting nervous my god please first I called him are you going to celebrate this day or not he said no why no money then thereafter I called Benjamin food khai dena borok tokai sabun khai he said we'll do it tells people then Chope so 3 of them in telephone conference I talked to them and I said you don't worry about money because there are people who are serving as a doctor there are people who are serving as a other official there are people who are doing business there are people who are running taxi you know right so everybody can afford to contribute something or other for the cause of our identity and you all students who are here we are not coming like from the poor background family like me when I study here hardly I get 500 rupees but to get 500 rupees per month it takes 3 months to receive through telegram something like that and the one sudah di al jorabo sesir or jagabo or sidango kebapa fresher khai chen chinero samu khai age chen thago keno tabun nor tebo mane well to do family nor khaija asar rampusan bhagwana ya ketu tini nor jot no self isolated with a self mane fashion with a self dress but we are not connecting one another bujika abun bagai let us give a big applause for these 3 people who has taken pain to our bela ke hambai Akhil Benjamin Chupe thank you bela ke hambai
aba haikeno pandawa kognarkha manjaka notice dialogue from ni convener urikim bam nobokishur no khobui TCF ni kubun ozamaro pandani kesaro musamung perform khlaika Nightingale Debormati Shillongo poriwi tongnai hasteni rungsrungnai sikliro
tab nor ka line khai joton rui on kore yang come let's be in a queue let's be in queue and come habis joton habis
Shillong ni simi Benjamin ni koktum chin khorang.